What is Afterpay Credit Card is a comprehensive guide to understanding the concept of Afterpay and its application in the financial world. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service that allows consumers to purchase products and pay for them in installments. It is not a traditional credit card but rather an alternative payment method. To use Afterpay, consumers need to create an account and link a payment method such as a debit or credit card. When making a purchase online or in-store, consumers can choose Afterpay as their payment method and pay for their purchase in 4 equal installments due every 2 weeks. Afterpay does not charge interest on purchases but instead charges a late fee if payments are not made on time. This makes it an attractive option for consumers who want to avoid interest charges and debt. However, it is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative impacts on credit scores. One of the key benefits of using Afterpay is that it allows consumers to budget and manage their finances more effectively. By breaking down purchases into smaller installments, consumers can better manage their cash flow and avoid overspending. Additionally, Afterpay does not require a credit check to sign up, making it accessible to consumers who may not have a strong credit history. To get the most out of Afterpay, it is crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions. Consumers should also make sure to make timely payments and keep track of their installments to avoid late fees. Furthermore, it is essential to only spend what you can afford to repay and not use Afterpay as a means to accumulate debt. In conclusion, Afterpay Credit Card is a payment method that allows consumers to purchase products and pay for them in installments. It offers several benefits such as no interest charges and flexible payment plans, but it is crucial to use it responsibly and make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative impacts on credit scores. By following best practices and understanding the terms and conditions, consumers can use Afterpay to manage their finances effectively and make smart purchasing decisions.